Hello friends, in India there are three different types of Demat accounts and these three different types of broker apply different charges. So in today's video we will compare all the charges of all the brokers that are available in the India. Here I also include the three category that I have mentioned and I will also compare the charges to tell you which broker is the cheapest as of today's date. So friends, let's start the video. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investor. First, let's talk about the three category of broker that exist in India. The first category is of full service broker. Full service broker are those who provide you with a platform for trading and also give you a stock tips and provide portfolio services. Along with the stock, you can also manage other things like insurance, trading, mutual funds and portfolio services. Then in India 2010 and 11 discount broker entered and removed all these services, providing only a platform for stock trading. At that time the trend of discount broker started, but now the trend is going towards the zero broker. Now there are also brokers who do not take any brokerage fees from you. So let's see the comparison of all these brokers. First, I will tell you about the three different charges that brokers apply. First, there is a account opening charge. When we open an account, we have to pay account opening charges. So when we trade or invest, we have to pay a fee to the broker that is called brokerage charge, which we call brokerage charges. And these brokerage charges will vary from app to app or broker to broker. For example, in the case of intraday, it will be different, and in the case of delivery, it will also be different, and in the case of currency and commodity, it will also charge differently. The third charge is that if you have to pay annual maintenance fees, but nowadays zero broker provide free MC. So let's start by looking at my laptop screen. So friends, as of today's date, there are so many, more than 100 CV registered broker available in the India. If we were to compare the charges of all of them in detail, it would take us months. Now, we will pick some popular Demat accounts from the different categories. We will select some full service broker and also some discount broker and some from the zero broker and try to collect data to provide you with the some values. First, let's talk about the broker that has the highest market share as of today's date. It falls under the category of discount broker, where people have opened the most Demat accounts as of today's date. Among these, the most popular one is Zerodha. Here, I don't want to mention anyone's name, just want to do a comparison. Now, let's discuss the charges of Zerodha. It provides you with a free equity delivery, meaning if you buy share for the long term within Zerodha, you will not incur any brokerage charge. However, you will still need to pay account opening and account maintenance charges. If we look at the charge section that we have below, listed all the charge. AMC charge is around 300 rupee per year and the account opening charge is 200 rupee. Additionally, you will get mutual funds completely free with the Zerodha. Now, let's talk about Angel One. The brokerage charge of Angel One and the Zerodha are exactly same. There is no difference between them. Now, in this category, another broker similar to both of them is Dhan, which is becoming quite popular. The brokerage of Dhan is almost the same as Angel One's brokerage. Advantage here is that you don't have to pay account opening as well as account maintenance charges with the Dhan broker. While Angel One offers free account opening and AMC is also free for the first year. However, with Dhan, you will get free AMC for a lifetime, making it slightly better than a Angel One and even better than Zerodha in this regard. But we are only comparing based on the charges, not discussing any other feature or services. After this, let's talk about Upstox. The brokerage charges are starting to appear in Upstox, indicating that charges are imposed on equity delivery with a charge of 20 rupee for long-term share purchases. Additionally, charge of 20 rupee or 0.05% is applicable for the options and futures trading, intraday, currency and commodity trading. Now, let me tell you about one important aspect, that is a broker charging 0.05% may turn out to be a cheaper than a one charging flat 20 rupee like Zerodha. Opening an account with the Upstock is free and there are no maintenance charges, that is called AMC. Grow also offers similar brokerage charges as Upstock with 20 rupee or 0.05% for most of the trades and flat 20 rupee only for the future and options. Now let's talk about a broker that was initially a full service broker but then transformed into a discount broker and now falls under the category of zero brokerage. It is Kotak Security. Kotak Security offers for trade under its youth plan with only a subscription fee of 299 rupee for the first year and 499 rupee for its second year. After this, all brokerage charges are zero, including AMC, intraday, delivery, and future and options trade. However, I'm not saying that you should open a Demat account here. This is not a sponsored video, friends. This is also a review video similar to the one that we continuously produce. Kotak is not only the one that is offering free brokerage. There are others like Flat Trade and there are many more brokers that will provide you zero brokerage. However, one problem with these is that their apps often hang. So make your decision carefully. If you trade in a very small amount, you can try with them, but Indian investors still prefer discount brokers because they are real, technologically advanced and offer trustworthy services. So friends, I have explained everything to you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.